Hello students, let's take a look at the last quiz. So you had this data set and you were asked to find the equation for the line. Basically, you need to graph the graph the data, and from that you can do a best fit line and find the slope of the line and the y-intercept. Once you know those two, you can find the right equation for the line by matching up the slope and the y-intercept. So if we go to the next question, so this question was find again the best equation for this data, and we want to really, for most of these we can rely on slope. So if we take a look at the slope here, we don't actually have the equation for the line, but we can pick any 2 points along this line and do rise over run. And I say any 2 points because I see that there are several points that are basically on the line, and you could use those values. Okay, the next, which of these best shows the trend line? So here we see the trend line drawn, but we're actually given the values here for the slope. So we have y equals mx plus b. Don't worry about what r squared means at this point. But here's our slope, our m, 1.2896. And here's our y-intercept, our b, 50.596. So from that, you can go back to your choices and pick which of those equations best matches the trend line. Most of you did really well on this question. You're basically just plugging these values for x into the equation and finding out the value for y. Here's another question where we're given data. We have a trend line, and we're being asked to match the trend line to the equation. So here we're given the value for the equation, y equals negative 0.04 times x plus 7.068. So the slope, the m, is negative 0.04, and the y-intercept, the b, is 7.068. So now that we've gone over this, you can try the quiz again. Good luck.